of the Wattpad episode, Nathan. Nathan is here today. Thanks, Nathan. And the entire production staff of Wattpad Presents, headed by Janice and Camille Bomba Montano. First of all, I would like to reiterate that TV5 is very fortunate to be able to partner with Disney. And not only is they made things very, very easy for us. They made Disneyland and all the hotels affiliated with Disneyland accessible and open to all of us any time of the day. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to do this episode. Gusto ko lang sabihin, I just want to say na lahat kami, everybody who went to Disneyland to produce the magic in you, lahat kami, all of us believe in the magic that Disneyland is. I would just like to share a couple of anecdotes. When we had to shoot the last scene for the episode, we had to shoot it in front of Flower Mickey, and we had to shoot it before the gates of Disneyland open. So we were able to see the gates open, and we were able to see the people rushing in to enter Disneyland. And what we witnessed was very surprising and heartwarming, because the first people who rushed through the gates of Disneyland were not the kids. They were the parents. The parents ran ahead of the kids to enter the gate of Disneyland and waited for the kids to get to the gate before all of them entered. Why is this so? Because all of us have a relationship with Mickey Mouse. We all knew Mickey Mouse from when we were young. And all of us somehow believed in what the song Ronnie composed. If you only believe, it will happen. And the happiest place on earth is just that, because we believe that anybody has the right to be happy, and the dream to be happy is not exclusive to anyone but open to everyone. That is what Wattpad Presents The Magic in You is all about. It is not only the story of Disneyland, it's not only the story of Princess and Basti, but it's the story of what they stand for and what they believe in. And ang gusto naming sabihin, katulad ng sinasabi ng Disney, if you believe, it will happen. And kung may nararamdaman kayong kilig, that kilig is the magic in itself. And that is what Wattpad is all about. We are hoping that the viewers of Wattpad will enjoy the series as much as we enjoy doing it. We would like the audience to feel that how it is to be smiling even after a tiring day. We were able to witness the people entering Disneyland, and we were able to witness the people exiting Disneyland. And what you will notice is that young and old alike, they live with a smile, because they enter Disneyland believing in the magic. Princess and Basti never wavered in the belief that the magic exists, and it does, and it truly exists. So yun ang gusto naming maramdaman. That's what we want the audience to feel. Ang kilig ay totoo, ang kilig ay magic, at ang kilig ay nasa puso natin lahat. We hope you enjoyed the show as much as we did enjoy doing it. Thanks to TV5 and thanks to the people from